took the DIY Cottage colors in white linen and I poured it out onto a plate. Then I took a small dot of the DIY marquee and I mixed them together to get a pretty pink. I wanted to paint these pine cones, and pink is hot this year, so I wanted to try it. Then, just so they're a little texturized, I added some DIY paint frosting. And it makes this thick, gooey paint. Because you're mixing it with the Cottage colors, it's instant that it makes this thick paint, kind of like a brownie batter. Then you take a natural pine cone. You want to make sure that you get all the bugs off. So you're going to bake them or store them for a year in a plastic bag, whatever your method is for making sure there's no spiders living inside there. And then you're just going to paint with this paint frosting mixture, and you're going to get some nice texture onto this pine cone. You're going to go all the way around, top and bottom. Then you're going to want to make sure you get these edges, this flat part of the pine cone. You want to make sure you get that, because if you store them in something, you're going to see that edge. And it can be natural, you don't have to coat all of them, but I do like to see a little bit of the pink on that edge. My pine cone is missing its top, no worries. Put a little pink paint there, no one will ever know. Now, I have 2 paper plates. I'm gonna put my pine cone on the clean one. And I'm using diamond dust glass. It's glass crystals. So be careful with this. You don't want to touch them with your fingers because it will cut you. I'm using paper plates because the pine cones are very dirty. So you're gonna get debris in there. So you're not gonna wanna put it back into your original jar. Then you're going to dump it on top of your wet paint. And you can turn your pine cone to make sure that you get all that glistening glass embedded into that white paint. You can switch paper plates if you feel you need some more. And then you're going to dump it off. Just give it a little tap and you'll have nice crystals on there. Then we're not done. This, again, 2 plates. This is glitter extra fine crystal diamond. And I've had this for a while, but it's really, really sparkly, very iridescent-y. I love the look of this. So you're gonna, again, put this right over top of your crystals, and it's going to give it a nice opaly look. Pouring it around the sides is good. And there you have a really pretty pink pine cone versus a plain one. I know I like pine cones, and I know I like plain pine cones, but that is the bomb diggity.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holiday and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. Oh, I'm not gonna play it safe. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day.
I'm placing my pine cones into a lantern that I had, and I also put some fairy lights in there that are run on a battery so I can just seal them up in there. The pink pine cones added just a little bit of charm and color that I wanted to this lantern. Do you like the pink?
Now get it done, I'm not gonna wait. And right around the mistletoe, I'm gonna let my feelings show. Always got you on my mind, but I know this time you're on top of my list. Only wish. And as we decorate the tree, only you and me, I'll be making plans, make you understand.
Thanks for watching this fun, easy craft. I hope that you will try it yourself. You can find these products at thepaintedphotographer.com, and I hope you hit the subscribe button and give me a like and drop me a comment because I like to read them all. Thank you, and have a Merry Christmas.